Guys, this is my outfit. Okay, in here is my cooked protein. This is my bitter leaf soup. This is my swallow. This is apple. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, a YouTuber based in Kaduna State, Nigeria. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do not make it your last. I'm a mom of six based in Kaduna here. You guys, today is Tuesday morning and I want to make bitter leaf soup before I head to my shop. Okay, and I would like to carry you guys along. Please stay tuned, watch the video to the end, like, comment, share, subscribe, of course, if you haven't subscribed. Okay, so that being said, let's dive right into the video. Guys, our first ingredient here is my bitter leaf. Here is ugri that I just brought out from the freezer, my cocoyam, pounded pepper and crayfish. Here is my seasoning. Here is my dry fish. In here is my cooked protein, stockfish, and yeah, the rest of the protein, the intestine, the red beef, and yeah, all of them. Orishirishi. All the orishirishi. You guys, in here is my boiling water. So I want to go in with my cocoyam. Next, I'll go in with my ogiri, my local spice. This quantity is okay. Next, I want to take out my the stockfish from the pot and put it here to enable it in soften more. Then I'll go in with my seasoning. I'm using no and star maggi for this. Let's cover it and cook. So guys, let's check on our soup. Wow. So I want to go in with the dry fish and also my pounded pepper and crayfish. So now it's time to go in with my protein, including the meat broth. So guys, I want to go and bring out my clothes. Are you guys looking at this bed like this? Honestly, this bed is inviting me to come and sleep. So you guys manage my video quality. I already have in mind what to wear. Okay, I already have in mind what to wear. This is what I want to wear. Yeah, it's a two-piece. Guys, this is my outfit. Okay, I'm still going to bring down my skincare that I'm going to use, like my cream and the rest, before the soup gets ready, so that I'll quickly shower and head to my shop. Guys, here is my cream, my body spray, my skin aqua, and here is my face cream. I'm also going to bring out my comb because my hair is not braided yet, but I'll be braiding my hair today. And that is my jewelry box. It's a jewelry organizer, yeah, which I'll be selecting my jewelry from here after when I'm done bathing. think I've already seen what I'm going to use. This will go perfectly well with my clothes. I think so. Yeah. Guys, look at my soup. Look at my bitter leaf soup. So let's go in with the bitter leaf. So guys, here is my bitter leaf. I just squeezed out the water in the bitter leaf. Let's add a little bit of sauce. So guys, this is all for our bitter leaf soup. Okay. So guys, that is all for our bitter leaf soup. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video. Okay. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. It is time to go and shower and head to my shop. But before I do that, I'll be showing you guys the final look of my soup. Okay. You know, I can't forget to do that. So guys, this is our soup. Ana m esikwa n'ugwu. Ana m esi ncha. So this is this closer look of my soup, okay? This is the closer look. I have to turn off the gas. This is my bitter leaf soup. This is my swallow. This is apple. Okay, you guys come, let's go and eat. Okay, and yeah, see you guys to my next one. Bye.